Hey creators! Are you ready to start your content journey but don't know what tools to use? Today, I'm going to show you the essential tools that every content creator needs to succeed, from planning your ideas, designing graphics, editing videos, to selling digital products. Let's get started.
1. Content planning tools. First, every creator needs a way to organize their ideas. My top picks are Notion, Trello, and Google Docs. Notion is perfect for organizing your content ideas, scripts, and planning calendars all in one place. Trello is great if you like visual boards to track what's done and what's next. And Google Docs is simple and effective for writing your scripts or collaborating with a team. 2. Graphic design tools. Next, design is key. Canva and Photoshop are the most used tools. Canva is beginner-friendly, you can make YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, and digital products quickly. Photoshop is more advanced, perfect for professional designs if you want your content to stand out. 3. Video editing tools. Editing brings your content to life. CapCut and Adobe Premiere Pro are my top picks. CapCut is simple, perfect for beginners making short or faceless videos. Premiere Pro is professional grade, it's perfect if you want more control and advanced effects. Even basic edits like trimming, adding text, or transitions can make your video look amazing. 4. AI voice and image tools. For faceless content, AI tools are a game changer. 11 Labs and Lovo AI can generate realistic voiceovers for your scripts, so you don't have to appear on camera. CArt.ai and Midjourney can create images for your videos, like characters, backgrounds, or storytelling visuals. With these tools, you can make high-quality videos entirely faceless.
5. Publishing platforms. After creating, you need to share your content. YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook are the best platforms to grow your audience. Pick one or two platforms to start, and cross-post your content for maximum reach. Visuals. 6. Digital product selling platforms. Finally, if you want to turn your content into income, digital product platforms are key. Gumroad, Payhip, and Sealer let you sell templates, ebooks, or courses directly to your audience. This is how content creators generate passive income from their knowledge. So these are the essential tools every content creator needs in 2026. If you start using even a few of these tools today, you'll be on your way to creating amazing content and even selling your own digital products. Comment below which tool you're excited to try first, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content creation tips.